Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer offers high-performance features designed for both hobbyists and professionals. It boasts a rapid printing speed of up to 500 mm per second, making it one of the faster 3D printers in its class. This high speed is complemented by its ability to maintain accuracy and detail, ensuring high-quality prints in less time. One of the key features of the M5C is its all-metal hot end, which allows it to support a wide range of filaments and print at temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. This capability makes it versatile, suitable for advanced materials such as high-temperature filaments. The printer's hot end is designed to minimize the chances of clogging or other common issues with 3D printing, ensuring a smoother and more reliable experience. The M5C also includes a 7x7 auto-leveling system, which provides precise bed calibration to ensure excellent adhesion and consistent results. This feature reduces the need for manual adjustments, allowing users to focus more on the creative aspects of their projects. The printer supports multi-device control, offering flexibility for users to manage their prints from smartphones, tablets, or computers. This makes it convenient for users to monitor or adjust print settings remotely. With a print volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, the M5C offers ample space for creating medium-sized prints. It strikes a balance between print capacity and compactness, fitting well into most workspaces without compromising on performance. Overall, the AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a feature-rich and reliable option for those looking for fast printing, versatility in materials, and user-friendly controls. Its advanced features like high-speed printing, all-metal hot end, and auto-leveling system make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 3D printer is a versatile DIY printer designed for both beginners and experienced users, offering several advanced features for improved printing performance. It delivers a printing speed of up to 250 mm per second, which is ideal for users looking for faster prints without compromising on quality. This makes it a suitable choice for those working on larger or more intricate projects. The Ender-3 V3 is equipped with Creality's CR Touch auto-leveling technology, which ensures the print bed is accurately calibrated for optimal first-layer adhesion. This feature eliminates the need for manual bed leveling, reducing setup time and improving print reliability, especially for users new to 3D printing. A standout feature of this printer is the Sprite Direct Extruder, which enhances filament extrusion for better control over the material flow. It also includes an autoload filament system, making filament handling more convenient and reducing the likelihood of clogs or jams. The printer is compatible with a wide range of filaments, giving users the flexibility to experiment with different materials. The Ender-3 V3 also features a dual Z-axis and Y-axis system, providing added stability and precision during printing, especially for taller prints. This design ensures the printer remains steady, reducing wobbling and improving print quality across larger models. With a build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, the Ender-3 V3 offers a spacious print area for most standard projects, making it an excellent choice for both small-scale and medium-sized prints. Overall, the Creality Ender-3 V3 3D printer combines high-speed printing, user-friendly features like auto-leveling, and a robust build for a well-rounded 3D printing experience. Its advanced features make it a solid choice for those seeking precision, reliability, and flexibility. Number 3. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa Malawi Nkwach's 3D printer kit is an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts looking for a high-quality DIY 3D printer with a focus on user-friendly assembly and performance. The kit offers an engaging and fun assembly experience, allowing users to fully understand the mechanics of their printer while building it themselves. This hands-on approach helps develop familiarity with the printer's features and ensures a deeper understanding of 3D printing technology. One of the standout features of the 4 Malawi Nkwachas is its automatic calibration, which significantly reduces setup time and ensures optimal first-layer adhesion. This feature makes the printer more forgiving for beginners, helping them achieve consistent print quality without complex adjustments. Additionally, the removable print sheets are a convenient feature, allowing for easy removal of prints and quick bed maintenance without the need for additional tools. The 4 Malawi Nkwachas offers a spacious print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, which provides ample room for a wide range of projects, from small prototypes to medium-sized models. Its robust build and precision make it suitable for detailed prints with complex geometries. Included with the kit is a filament sample, allowing users to get started right away without the need for additional purchases. This makes the 4 Malawi Nkwachas a great value for those new to 3D printing. Overall, the original Prusa Malawi Nkwachas 3D printer kit offers a well-rounded 3D printing experience with a balance of fun assembly, ease of use, and reliable performance. Its automatic calibration, removable print sheets, and generous build volume make it an ideal choice for those seeking a beginner-friendly 3D printer that can produce high-quality results. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a compact, high-performance machine designed for users seeking fast, precise, and quiet 3D printing. One of its key features is the ability to support multicolor 3D printing, enabling users to create more complex and vibrant models without the need for a full-color printer. This is a great option for those looking to expand their creative possibilities with minimal effort. Setting up the A1 Mini is quick and easy, with an impressive setup time of just 20 minutes, making it ideal for beginners or those who want to start printing right away. The printer offers high-speed printing capabilities while maintaining precision, which is perfect for users looking to complete their projects in less time without sacrificing print quality. The A1 Mini includes full auto calibration, a feature that simplifies the setup process by automatically adjusting the bed to ensure the first layer adheres correctly. This, combined with active flow rate compensation, ensures consistent extrusion and improved print quality, reducing the risk of errors during long or intricate prints. Additionally, the printer operates at a noise level of less than or equal to 48 dB, making it a quieter option compared to many other 3D printers. This feature is especially beneficial for users who plan to use the printer in shared spaces or environments where noise levels need to be kept low. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer offers a great balance of speed, precision, and ease of use, with features like multicolor support, automatic calibration, and quiet operation, making it a strong choice for both newcomers and experienced users seeking efficient and high-quality 3D printing. Number 5. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit is an easy-to-use, high-quality 3D printer designed for both home and school environments. It comes equipped with a swappable Smart Extruder Plus that ensures fast and reliable PLA material printing. This feature allows users to easily change extruders for maintenance or upgrades, ensuring smooth printing sessions with minimal downtime. One of the key highlights of the Replicator Plus is its factory-leveled flex build plate. This ensures that users don't have to manually level the print bed, saving time and effort during setup. The flexible build plate also makes removing finished prints more convenient, reducing the risk of damaging the print or the surface. The printer offers a solid build volume of 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches, providing ample space for a wide range of projects, from small educational models to larger prototypes. Its ease of use and reliability make it a great option for both beginners and those with more experience in 3D printing. The Replicator Plus is designed for fast and efficient printing, making it a perfect tool for rapid prototyping, classroom use, or personal projects. With features like the swappable Smart Extruder Plus and the factory-leveled build plate, the printer is built to minimize maintenance and maximize productivity. Additionally, its user-friendly interface and intuitive software make it accessible to all skill levels. Overall, the MakerBot Replicator Plus is a feature-rich and reliable 3D printer, offering quick setup, consistent performance, and a spacious print area, making it a great choice for anyone looking to print at home, in a classroom, or in a professional environment.